Before making a decision on buying a UPERFECT product, there are a few things you should know that could save you time, money, and potential frustration. This is especially true when comparing it to other similar options on the market. In this video, we're diving into 7 key things you absolutely need to know before making your purchase. Trust me, by the end, you'll be in a better position to make an informed choice. First off, UPERFECT is a brand that specializes in portable monitors. They've built a reputation for providing quality displays that make working from home, gaming, or just on-the-go computing much easier. However, you'll want to carefully consider a few factors before jumping in. Next thing. One of the most important features you'll need to keep in mind is the screen quality. UPERFECT's monitors, unlike some of its competitors, offer 4K resolution, which is a huge selling point for anyone who's into gaming, design, or just wants a sharper display. Many competitors, like those from Asus or AOC, might give you a similar size, but lack the ultra-high definition experience that UPERFECT delivers. After using the UPERFECT monitor for a while, I found that the sharpness of the 4K screen makes a real difference when working on detailed tasks or just watching videos. The third thing you need to know is about portability. One of the things that make UPERFECT stand out is how easy it is to carry around. It's slim, lightweight, and compact. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like most portable monitors out there. However, when comparing it to its competitors, I found that the UPERFECT monitor doesn't compromise on screen size or performance despite its portability. Many others tend to sacrifice one for the other, but UPERFECT seems to get the balance just right. Moving on to the fourth thing, the connectivity options. This is where a lot of monitors fall short, especially in the portable market. UPERFECT gets it right with USB-C, HDMI, and even support for devices like the Nintendo Switch. You'll find that many other monitors might not have as many connections or might be slower in transferring data. UPERFECT's versatility really stands out in this area, especially if you plan on using the monitor for multiple devices. The fifth thing is how the monitor performs in various lighting conditions. If you're using a portable monitor outdoors or in bright rooms, you'll be pleased to know that UPERFECT has an anti-glare screen that reduces reflections. Many other portable monitors don't do nearly as well in this regard. Whether you're working in a coffee shop or outside, the screen's clarity is impressive. Next, let's talk about battery life. While UPERFECT's monitors are known for good battery performance, they do require an external power source in most cases, unlike some competitors like Lenovo that offer battery-powered options. That said, I find the performance from UPERFECT to be solid enough that a quick recharge will keep you working on the go, making it a minor inconvenience at best. Finally, there's the customer service and warranty. This is crucial when buying any tech product. UPERFECT has built a solid reputation for customer support, offering good warranties and responsive service. From my experience, they are quick to address concerns, which isn't always the case with all the competition, especially when it comes to budget options. So, to recap, UPERFECT monitors are a great choice, offering outstanding screen quality, portability, excellent connectivity, and a smooth performance in different lighting. While some competitors have their advantages, UPERFECT seems to do a lot of things right at a competitive price point. If you're looking to give UPERFECT a try, click the first link in the description below to get the best deal available. You'll also be able to enjoy an exclusive free trial, so you can test out the product before fully committing. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity.